Well, houses of worship may be closed, but that didn't stop the faithful from gathering this evening to pray. The park at Riverwalk was transformed into an outdoor church with hundreds standing on the grass to listen to music and worship. Local dignitaries were among them. Several pastors delivered sermons praying for the world and our community during these difficult times.
The church has been quarantined for so many months, and it's been difficult. It's been tough for people, and we want to come together. We want to come together and worship and be encouraged. And we're praying out here over the city, and we're just thankful that we can exercise our First Amendment right freely.
Organizers of tonight's event plan to hold a similar gathering tomorrow in Fresno and Sunday in San Diego.